Waking up and noticing your morning wood disappearing can be alarming. Many men automatically blame age, but here's the shocking truth. It's often not age at all. Something else is silently affecting your sexual health, energy, and testosterone, and if you don't fix it now, it could impact more than just your mornings. This channel is all about practical strategies to help men regain energy, confidence, and peak sexual health. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss tips that can change your life. Morning erections aren't just a random occurrence. They're a sign of healthy blood flow and balanced testosterone. Losing morning wood can result from low testosterone, poor circulation, stress, or lifestyle choices, rather than age alone. Even men in their 20s and 30s can experience weaker morning erections if these factors aren't addressed. Stress and poor sleep can suppress testosterone production, leaving men feeling lethargic and less virile. Here are the most common lifestyle factors that silently harm your morning wood. 1. Poor sleep. Less REM sleep means fewer nightly testosterone spikes. 2. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting all day reduces blood flow. 3. Unhealthy diet. Processed foods, sugar, and alcohol disrupt hormones. 4. Stress and anxiety. Chronic stress spikes cortisol, which blocks testosterone. Regaining your morning wood isn't impossible. Here's what actually works. Optimize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours and reduce screen time before bed. Exercise regularly. Strength training boosts testosterone and blood flow. Eat testosterone-friendly foods, eggs, nuts, leafy greens, and healthy fats. Stress management. Meditation, journaling, or light yoga. Even when men try these tips, mistakes can keep them from seeing results. Relying on supplements alone. Ignoring sleep and stress management. Thinking age is the only factor. Morning wood is a signal. Ignore it and deeper sexual health issues can arise. If you want a natural way to restore testosterone, improve blood flow, and regain morning wood, NuviaLab Vitality can help. It's designed for men who want to feel energetic, confident, and revitalized, without relying on risky supplements or prescriptions. Click the link in the description to get your bottle today and start reclaiming your vitality. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who might need this. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more tips to regain energy, confidence, and sexual health. Remember, it's not age, it's your lifestyle. Start making changes today.